Alright, hello. This video is to help with program number 7 from chapter 13. This is the printing triangle one. We have to do this recursively. You can almost sort of see the base case right here is that when you have just one, n is 1, your input is 1, you just draw a single triangle. If it's input 3, you have to draw these three rows. One of the things that's weird about this one is you are just printing stuff, and so it's a method that just prints stuff usually is just void. So as strange as it may seem, this is one of the few recursive methods we've done where we can just do public static void and call it print triangles or something like that, and then take in an input n. All right, so because nothing's really returned, you just want to print a bunch of triangles, this can be a void method. Okay, so we already talked a little bit about the base case, but the recursive step, the idea is, again, you have to make it one step simpler. So if we were to do print triangles 5, the way to do this recursively is just to think, okay, I'm actually just going to do this row of 5, right? And then I'm going to recall the method and assume that print triangles 4 will work. Okay, so if I can print this row, then this top part here is just print triangles 4. Right, so I'm assuming that my method works, and so on 5, I just want to draw a row of 5 and then recall the method with print triangles 4, one less there. Right, similarly, print triangles 4 is going to say, okay, well, I can just draw this bottom row and then assume that I can draw the rest of this, right? The rest of this part up here is just print triangles 3. All right, right over there. Sorry, that's kind of wonky drawing, but basically I'm going to draw the row and then assume that print triangles 3 works. All right, and so that's pretty much it, right? You just have to make it one step simpler. So draw the row and assume that the next one works. The tricky part of this is if you do it, you might end up getting these in reverse order where like the 5 is at the top and then 4, 3, 2, 1, right? So if you get there, you're almost done. You just have to reverse the order in which you print them and when it's called recursively. All right, so I think the actual process is you call it recursively, recursive, it hits the base case, then it starts drawing and goes back up. Right, so you actually want to do the recursive call first and then the print part, and that'll get them to print in the reverse order. Okay, again, as always, if you need extra help, win time, send me an email, come see me. Yeah, it's a void